Octavia Mark II to remove the front bumper. You need Torx 25 and Torx 30. You remove 3 Torx 25 screws from each arch liner. 1, 2, 3. Then you pull the headlight out. Remember to unclip the harness. There's a retaining bolt on the back, and then pull this to pop the headlight out. There's a Torx 30, 1, 2, 3 there. Remove that headlight. Underneath there's 1, 2, 3, 4 Torx 30 bolts. I've removed the under tray or splash protector as well, so they're Torx 25 bolts all the way around. You pop the side of the bumper out and then reach through and unclip the fog lights, and then the bumper should just lift up and drop. Half an hour job.